It is a pallet. It is a pallet. It is a pallet.
Last one, boys. One heat, one. On the far side. As you see them coming around the bend and to the home stretch, you got Clement Howell High School.
As they come up the straightaway now. Looks to be between Clement Howell and British West Indies Collegiate.
In innocent of Clement Howell will take it ahead of Joshua St. Michael McGoo of the British West Indies Collegiate.
Yeah.